Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. This is primarily going over the tool called Eat This Much. It is a macro meal planning tool that I found especially helpful for not having to think out all the numbers and all the plans, and makes my planning a lot easier for my fitness journey. And this is one of the best ways that you can be successful is with your nutrition. So here we see on the first page, putting your diet on autopilot. That's literally what we want to do. You can tell the planner, here's how many calories I need to eat. Here's my macros, my carbs, fat, and my protein, and how many meals I want to spread that across. That's the basic overview of what the tool does. Here's a couple of the key features here that you have your exclusions. You can tell it what type of diet you have, and these are just presets for what exclusions to take out of the diet and things to avoid in the recipes that it's going to pull for you. You can do, you take out certain things that you have allergies to. You can take out whole sections or individual ingredients. You can even add your own here at the bottom if you're not seeing it on the list. You have different generator options, so you can tell it what to focus on. You can build your nutrition targets. This is really one of the biggest features of this tool, is telling it what your calories are, what your carbs, fat, and protein need to be. And you can make a meal layout for your days. You can make different ones for different days of the week. It's really a versatile tool. You have different meal types. You see, you can make different sizes for each of these meals. This is how many meals it's going to be spreading your macros across. And of course, the actual meal planner itself. It's super intuitive. There's both a PC version and a mobile version. I'll be doing videos for both of these. Right now, we're just covering the PC version because it has the most functionality that I want to show you guys. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to throw them in the comments below. Remember to subscribe. I'm also going to give you guys a free month of this tool. I'm not paid to make these videos, but I do have a referral code that gives you and I both a free month. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down in the description here. Let me know if you have any trouble using it. I'd be glad to help you out. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's also the best way to reach me, is through messages there. I'm going to go ahead and throw my link down there. It's at rebel_fit_nerd. That's me. You can find me on Instagram there. We'll hope to see you guys there, and thanks for joining the channel.